Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Highland to Schererville to near Beecher, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Griffith, St. John, Chesterton, Lake Station, Porter, Burns Harbor, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Wheeler, South Haven, and Lincoln Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is no weather.